Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman Hussain, assistant teacher of NIBS Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic: creative question and MCQ discussion. Now I will talk about some creative. First of all, in your question paper, you will be given some stem, and regarding the stem, question will be given. You have to write answer according to the stem. My first stem is here. Hasnara Akhtar decided to cultivate vegetables in the back-end land adjacent to her house and prepared a plot of 3 decimal for tomato cultivation. She had a bumper yield of tomato for improved variety. For what? For improved variety. Use of fertilizer in right dose and proper care and nursing. She met her family needs and sold a portion in the market. Being inspired by the initiative of Hasnara Akhtar, many in the neighborhood started kitchen garden in their houses. Now we will discuss only C and D number question. C number, you know that C number question is application based question and D number is higher skill. In C number, in application based, there are 3 skill covers: knowledge, understanding and application. In our first starting portion, we must write the knowledge based answer in a 1 sentence. In your understanding, you can define the knowledge answer within 1 sentence or 2 sentences. And in a third para, we can explain details regarding the stem. Okay. So your question is, determine how much cow dung Hasnara Akhtar used in her 3 decimal tomato cultivation. My answer is here: for cultivating tomato, 30 to 35 kg of cow dung is required for per decimal land. This is our knowledge based part is finished in application based questions. My first skill is here. Okay, now we need to explain. The land area of Hasnara Akhtar is 3 decimal. So she required 3 into 30 to 3 into 50. I mean 330 ja 90 and 350 ja 150 kg of cow dung for applying in her land. It's very short question here. It's a model, but you can extend your information. You can add some other information regarding the question. Okay, number D, analyze the impact of Hasnara Akhtar's initiative in meeting family nutrition demand. Hasnara Akhtar decided to cultivate vegetables in the fallow land beside her home. She prepared a 3 decimal plot for cultivating tomato. Tomato is a winter crop but is cultivable in summer too. It's a vegetable containing vitamin A, B and C. Green tomatoes are popular as vegetables and ripe tomatoes as salad. Sauce that is produced by processing of ripe tomatoes is very delicious. As per World Health Organization, a person should eat at least 450 gram vegetables every day. The entrepreneurship of Hasnara Akhtar met the demand of vegetables and vitamin A, B and C in her family. The money that is earned by Hasnara Akhtar by selling additional tomatoes is expected to buy other nutritious food for the family. So Hasnara Akhtar filled the demand of nutrition in her family by cultivating tomato. She got a bumper yield from this cultivation. She also sold some additional tomato in the bazaar and she got some money from this. So now we will discuss multiple choice question from number 31 to 50. Okay, what type of crop is pigeon pea? What type of crop is pigeon pea? You know that here are 4 options are given: cereal, pulse, fodder or fiber. So pigeon pea is a pulse crop. Okay, next one, what type of crop is sunflower? We know that sunflower is a oily crop. What is pepper made of? You know that pepper is made of sugarcane test, jute, reed, etc. I mean all the above. What is Fami? Fami is the variety of hen. Pulse crops are chickpea and pigeon pea. Option number A. Shrimp is not a fish, shrimp is a insect. Fiber crops are used in making silk, thread, carpet, all the above. What is rotenone? Rotenone is a chemical substance that kills fishes. Number D, a chemical substance that increases alkalinity of pond water, that is called, so should be C number should be right answer. A chemical substance that kills fishes. So rotenone is used for killing fish. Cattle feed are Guinea and Para. Guinea and Para are cattle feeds. Numbers B. Okay, the crop may have disease like 1 and 3, number wilting disease, or it can be yellow leaf disease. Okay, now read a passage. Rinku takes preparation to cultivate tomato in 3 decimal land near his home and prepares the land by using different fertilizers. At minimum proportion, Rinku also keeps aside a certain portion of fertilizer to use later. So, how much cow dung was used by Rinku in the land? Yes, it's 3 decimal, so 3 30 ja 90 kilogram. Okay, number 42. Rinku applied urea and MP fertilizer after how many days? After, it can be option number C, 25 or 40 days. Okay, what is the area of, what is the main area, what is the area of Sundarbans? The area of Sundarbans is 6,000 square kilometer. What is dibbling? Dibbling is a method of applying fertilizer. Which one of the following trees belongs to a hilly forest? Chapalis. Chapalis is the trees which belong to hilly forest. Which one of the following plants is most suitable for agricultural afforestation? Is betelnut. Read the following passages belong to answer question number 47 and 48. Chameli Begum has bought a few seedlings of mango and jackfruit with a view to planting in their new village home. What corner of Chameli Begum's home will she plant the seedlings she has brought? It should be north to west. Trees she will not plant in any of the sides of her home are 1 and 2, eucalyptus and shunduri. How many kinds of natural forests are there in our country? There are 3 kinds of natural forests in our country. Which forest provides shady, tranquil and green environment? Is social forest, which provides us shady, tranquil and green environment. My beloved students, we have reached at the end of our today's class. Now take your SW, is SW number 15, MCQ number 51 to 60. The rest of the part of MCQ is your SW. This 51 to 60 number SW. Follow suggestion to do this SW and submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous also. Now open, I am requesting you to open your oral sheet. Agricultural studies for class 6, your oral sheet is here. Now let's discuss your oral question. Now you must give the full sentence whenever you will have a viva policy or oral test. You must say the full sentence. What does horticulture refer to? Horticulture refers to the study of or practice flowers, fruits and vegetables. What does red amaranth contain? It contains a lot of vitamins. Name some vertebrate fishes. Hilsa, roi, katla, mrigel, etc. are the vertebrate fish. How are the eggs of a duck incubated? The eggs of a duck are incubated under a hen, which is known as an aquatic bird. A duck is known as an aquatic bird. What amount of food does a pigeon eat daily? It eats 50 grams daily. What do you mean by a forest? A forest means an area covered with different kinds of shrubs, trees, etc. is called forest. What part of land of Bangladesh is natural forest? We know that there are 70% natural forest in our Bangladesh. What are the 3 types of forest? There are natural forest, social forest and agricultural forest. Which is the largest mangrove forest in the world? the largest mangrove forest of the world is Sundarbans. Okay, what is called the social forest? A forest which a man plans to create for his need is called a social forest. For ecological balance, what should be the percentage of essential forest land of the total land area? It should be 25%. You need to say here full sentence. How many pairs of babies can a pigeon provide within a year? It can provide 7 or 8 pairs of babies within a year. What are the two major categories of crops, agricultural science? The two categories are horticulture crop and field crop. How much amount of vegetables and fruits should a man eat daily according to World Health Organization? It should be 450 gram. How many types of field crops are there? There are 6 types of field crops based on their uses. Which of the vegetables simultaneously contain vitamin A, B and C? Tomatoes simultaneously contains vitamin A, B and C. Are shrimps vertebrate? No, shrimps are not vertebrate. After how long time of sowing seed and can red amaranth be collected? Red amaranth can be collected after 20 or 25 days. So my beloved student, you should practice a lot. You should memorize the question answer of oral sheet, and you should do this HW following your suggestion and submit this HW coming Sunday and collect the previous also. Take preparation for annual examination. Stay home, stay well, listen to your parents. See you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz.